Hey Brandon, so if you want to adjust grades for a student, you need to go into the grade book. Now my setup on the left, I put everything for instructors there, so your navigation will be a little bit different, but go into the grade book, select the student, don't pick one at random, go to the test and click review, and then what I do is I then compare their answers to what they should have gotten. So I already have my own key here. So on this first question, the student got it right. So moving on to the second question. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about how this is graded so I can then explain how I regrade. So you'll notice that I have a part A, there's only one question, one answer for that. There's a part B, of which there's one part here, and then the test statistic, then the p-value, and then the conclusion. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Out of those five parts, he got 2 right and 3 wrong. So he got 2 out of 5, so he got 0.4. So when I go to regrade, what I do then is if, for example, here on the test statistic, maybe, okay, he was way off, but let's imagine he had negative 2.24, so that he reversed his sample and population, the calculation, a simple mistake. I might give him back half the credit. Well, each question is 0.2, half the credit's 0.1, so then I would come up here, change this 0.4 to 0.5 for that part, click submit grade, which I'm not going to because he doesn't need this to be changed. And that's assuming, for example, he didn't deserve credit on any of these other ones, right? So I'd add up all the partial credit I'm giving back, change the grade here, click submit grade, and then when I'm done submitting, click close. And so that's how I regrade tests.